Hey everyone! Today we're touring a room at Reflect Cancun Resort and Spa. Located 25 minutes northeast of the Cancun International Airport, this all-inclusive, all-ages resort has 398 rooms in 2 iconic towers set on the tip of the Cancun Strip. It has a gorgeous white sand beach and holds 4 different pools, including an adults-only infinity pool, exclusively for Altitude Club guests. Let's take a look at where we stayed, room 1228. An Altitude Master Suite Oceanfront. You'll enter the suite and find the thermostat and control slot for your room card to turn on your air conditioning and lights. Beside the entrance is your dining area. It's decorated with colorful artwork and a modern 4-person dining set. Behind here are your coffee pods, Nespresso machine, sugars, sweeteners, and mugs. You'll also find chips that are restocked as needed, plus additional glassware and ice bucket. This area also includes electrical outlets and lower cupboard space on the left and right, with large shelving for storage. Across from here is your living room area. The lounging space has a plush sofa bed, chair, and marble coffee table. You'll also find several large mirrors, with additional storage shelves underneath, and a ceiling fan for the ultimate comfort. Next to this is your bedroom area. The bright artwork and inset lighting frames the luxurious king-size bed with its soft linens and plush pillows. There's adjustable lighting on each side that's perfect for all your late night or early morning needs. The bedside table holds your USB and electrical outlets, phone, notepad and pencil, and your in-suite tablet. Use the tablet to find resort information, order room service, book spa services, browse entertainment, and check daily news, all from the comfort of your room. The other bedside table holds your television remote, light switches, USB outlets, and alarm clock. You'll also find a dining set for 2 with welcome treats of fresh fruit and local sweets. Across the room is your entertainment area. There's a large flat-screen television with a long counter space below. Here you'll find a complimentary tote bag and sunscreen, multiple USB and electrical outlets, as well as a desk area with local information, ample lighting, and seating. Under the counter, you'll find a cupboard with the ultimate luggage storage space, as well as 3 large deep drawers that are ideal to unpack in. Next to this is your mini bar, filled with small bottles of tequila, whiskey, and rum, sweet snacks, soda, juice, water, Coke, Diet Coke, beer, and full-size waters that are all restocked as needed. Next up is the spacious bathroom area. You'll enter the room and find the large hideaway wardrobe on your left. There's lots of space to hang clothing, plus an iron and ironing board, plush robes, hangers, an umbrella, and a luggage rack. On the right side of the wardrobe, you'll find more space to hang clothing, an extra blanket and pillow, laundry bag, additional shelving storage, soft slippers, a shoe shining station, and a safe. This safe fit our 13-inch laptop with plenty of room to spare. Beside this is a privacy door for your toilet area. The spacious vanity has a lavish backlit mirror and a grand marble countertop. On the left is your lighted magnification mirror, tissues, and first sink with modern fixtures. As an Altitude Club guest, you'll receive premium amenities, including lotion, shaving cream, a razor, toothpaste and toothbrush, a comb, and soap. On the right is your second sink with complimentary incense nearby. Tucked underneath are a collection of extra towels, as well as your hairdryer and your scale. The shower area holds 2 separate spaces. The first shower has inset shelving with complimentary shampoo, conditioner, and soap, a handheld shower head, rainfall shower head, modern fixtures, and allows direct access to your private balcony. The second shower area is a mirror image of the first, with complimentary amenities, gorgeous handheld and rainfall shower heads, and also allows direct access to your balcony with a sliding door. Your bedroom has blackout curtains that you can draw for privacy, and they lead to one of the best areas of the suite, the large furnished balcony with whirlpool. There's a chic outdoor dining set that's perfect for enjoying room service and gourmet treats. The relaxing outdoor whirlpool has room for two, with sleek fixtures and a multitude of jets, all with a gorgeous blue Caribbean view. We hope you enjoyed our room tour here at Reflect Cancun Resort and Spa. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and tell us your favorite feature in the comments below. Subscribe to our channel for more resort room tours, travel guides, and vacation inspiration. Thanks for watching.